Hi, I'm Richard Hardiman. I'm the CEO and founder of RanMarine Technology, and today we're going to walk you around the WasteShark, our little vacuum cleaner for water. We're going to show you its quirks and its features, show you how it works, and show you how this little guy can make a big impact on the environment. So this then is the WasteShark, our electric cleaner of water. It weighs about 73 kilograms, that's 160 pounds, and is about 1.6 meters long, which is about 5.2 feet. The basket you see here between the catamaran hulls holds around 180 liters, about 48 gallons of trash. And as you can see here, it's very easy to remove that basket. Think of it as a drawer system. Simply pulls out, you empty the waste, and then you pop the basket back in again, and you're ready to go. And then we simply lock that basket to make sure that it doesn't come out when it's underway. Inside the basket is a mechanical flap. This closes or opens depending on whether you're going forwards or in reverse, and of course is there to stop whatever's inside the basket from flowing out. Above the basket is the camera mount that gives you a full view of what the drone is seeing as you go along. At the rear of the WasteShark we have two electric thrusters mounted on either side of the pontoons, which not only give you your thrust forward and reverse, but also give you directional control as well. All WasteSharks are data enabled. This is a sensor probe that is mounted at the rear and can be configured to your needs. On the top deck, two buttons, one the power button for on and off, the other the red button, the emergency stop. They're easily placed for your convenience should you need it. Staying on the top deck, you can see the LiDAR there, that is the blue tower for situational awareness and collision avoidance in autonomous mode, and at the back there a GPS receiver that's there just to monitor where exactly the shark is at any one time. Both autonomous and manual sharks come with the HereLink system overlaid with a RanMarine app, so you can see exactly where the shark is at any one time. It connects to the camera that you saw mounted on the front and gives you a digital readout of battery, depth, water temperature, and everything you might need to know that's going on the craft while you're underway. Having a look at the WasteShark in the water now, it has a 6 to 10 hour battery life depending on the mode and weather conditions. It's highly maneuverable, so you can get into those tight corners where trash or biomass sometimes collect. We built the WasteShark to make it very easy to use. You don't need a lot of training, and of course we will give you training, but it's very easy to use. A child can learn this in 5 minutes, an adult sometimes a little bit longer, but once you get the hang of it, anyone in your crew will be able to deploy and use this very, very easily. Now, we mentioned the mechanical flap at the front of the basket earlier. This is how it actually works while it's being used. It's of course designed to stop the trash flowing out while you're underway, but comes down very easily, as you'll see later when you bring it back to shore. And of course, $1 million question, how do you get the trash out? Well, it's very simple, as Tess is showing us here. We would normally use gloves. This is trash out of our facility pool, so we know it's clean. We would recommend you use gloves. It's as easy as pulling that drawer out, allowing the trash to fall into the receptacle, and then putting that drawer back in again. This particular version of the WasteShark has been sold around the world multiple times in multiple different territories. The idea is it is a robust workhorse. It's there to make it easier for your crew to clean up water. Now, we know you have more questions. We're very happy to answer any of those, but thank you very much for your time and watching this demonstration of the WasteShark.